The moment you speak to another person, you gain a platform to be a leader.
Welcoming Ms. Tony Miranda.
You should see in every reaction and every time you respond to any challenges, the walking, talking representation of your mission.
Leadership is like a Formula 1 race.
Kung masyado tayong lax, no? Yung relax, sa glimpse ng ating pag-compare, we miss a lot of opportunity, not just in relationship, not just with your team, but in business. These are simple yet needs intentionality. It is our responsibility not just to make sure that everyone's engaged, it is also our responsibility to identify pipeline links. One-way communication will never bring engagement. I need to be trusting and I need to be trusted. When you master the basics, everything else will follow, and that's basic. One of the letter D that you need to be doing or developing is the art of mastering the basics or the art of being good at one. Organize, nurture, and eliminate. True leadership illuminates the path for others, creating a legacy of empowerment, engagement, and purpose that transforms individuals into radiant multipliers.
We are